Welcome back. From the beginning of space exploration to astronauts walking on the moon, NASA's achievements have broadened our knowledge of the universe. But with every mission, NASA has to worry about space debris left over from their many rocket launches.
There's actually a tremendous amount of things orbiting around the Earth that could be hazardous to astronauts. And in rare cases, some of those objects actually end up entering the Earth's atmosphere. So, one such object is set to re-enter the Earth's atmosphere in approximately 2 weeks. According to Dr. Nick Moskovitz, we have very little to worry about, however. So Saki Kalsoyas has more.
For every American, this has to be the proudest day of our lives.
What do the men who walked on the moon, the astronauts in the International Space Station, and the many satellites keeping us connected orbiting the Earth right now all have in common? They all used rockets to get to space. And since the days of the Apollo missions, there have been thousands of rocket launches, and each one leaves objects that we call debris, a lot of it. Astronomers track these objects, and with an object predicted to re-enter the atmosphere on November 13th, an astronomer here at Lowell Observatory says that this is an excellent opportunity for science.
This particular event that's coming up in 2 weeks, this piece of space debris that's going to come in and impact, we have a very good idea of where and when that's going to happen. And that's really one of the first times ever that we've been able to do that. And so that's really important because we can set up a campaign. In this case, it'll probably involve an airplane going out over the Indian Ocean with cameras looking out through the windows to watch this thing come in as it impacts the Earth's atmosphere. So that's really exciting. This is, again, the first time that we've really ever been able to do this.
According to Dr. Moskovitz, there's little understanding of what happens to objects when they re-enter Earth's atmosphere.
We don't really understand how the atmosphere processes that material, how stuff gets filtered as it's passing through the atmosphere. So this is an experiment that we can go out and conduct. We know where and when to look, and we can watch what happens when this thing comes through, how it fragments, how it heats up, how it vaporizes as it's coming through.
But one thing's for certain, the object that will re-enter over the Indian Ocean won't pose any threat.
This thing poses no danger at all, so there's no real concern. It's a small object, probably no bigger than a person. So, sort of something of that size, when it hits the atmosphere at 10 kilometers a second, it's going to burn up and vaporize.
Unfortunately, space debris tracking isn't a very well-funded public program. But hopefully with the data collected from this event and the excitement it will generate will inspire a change.
When something like this happens, it's exciting. It's exciting for the public, it's exciting for the scientists, and we can learn a lot from this. And so hopefully it will garner additional interest and additional federal funding for these types of scientific activities.
For NAZ Today, I'm Saki Kalsoyas.